Hello, beloved souls, it's Adele here. As we approach the holiday season, and for many, Christmas, I wanted to share a short, gentle reflection with you. I recently posted a longer blog on my website titled The God Within, Understanding the Divine Beyond Labels and Through Experience. It's a 12-part reflection exploring how we experience the divine beyond hierarchy, dogma, and separation. This video isn't the full reflection. Here, I'm sharing part 12 only, a Christmas reflection drawn from that larger piece. If you feel called to explore the full journey, the blog is now live on my website. As we come to Christmas, it's a natural moment to reflect more deeply on the meaning behind the story, beyond tradition, symbolism, or familiar narratives. From my perspective, Christmas is not only about the birth of Jesus as a historical figure, but about the birth of Christ consciousness within the human heart. Christ consciousness refers to the state of awareness Jesus embodied, a way of being rooted in unconditional love, compassion, humility, truth, and unity. It is not something owned by one person, one religion, or one belief system. It is a universal consciousness, one that Jesus lived and demonstrated, and one that exists as potential within every human being. Jesus did not come to place himself above humanity, but to reveal what humanity is capable of when aligned with divine love. His life was not meant to be admired from a distance, but lived from within, as an expression of service, presence, courage, and love in action. Seen this way, Christmas becomes less about an event in the past and more about an ongoing invitation. An invitation to allow more love to be born within us, more peace, more compassion, more integrity, more courage to live from the heart, even when it's not easy. The light we celebrate at Christmas is not external. It is the same light that lives within each of us, waiting to be recognized, embodied, and expressed through the way we live our everyday lives. As we move through the holiday season, it's easy to focus on celebration, gatherings, food, gifts, and activity. And while there is nothing wrong with those things, Christmas also offers a quieter invitation, an invitation to reflect on how we might live more consciously from Christ consciousness. Not just today, but in the year ahead. Not by striving to be perfect, not by trying to imitate someone else, but by asking simple, honest questions. How might I choose love more often than fear? How might I meet others with greater compassion? How might I speak, act, and respond from truth, humility, and presence? This is not about becoming better in a moral sense. It's about becoming more aligned with the divine presence that already lives within us. Christmas reminds us that the Christ is not distant, external, or unreachable. Christ consciousness is alive, within you, within me, and within humanity itself. And it is something we can choose to embody, one moment at a time. However you celebrate this season, or even if you don't, I wish you moments of warmth, rest, and gentle remembrance of the love that has never left you. Together, we raise the frequency of Earth every time one more soul remembers that their connection with the divine has never been distant or lost, but has always lived within. See you in the next video, where we'll take another step toward health, balance, and higher vibration.